Welcome to the Java Programming Chapter 3 Study Guide. In this video, we will review Chapter 2 using methods review questions. Please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Question 1. Advantages to creating methods in addition to the main method include all of the following except A. The main method is easier to follow. B. All methods are pre-written, saving the programmer work. C. It is easier to determine the overall intent of statements encapsulated in the methods. D. Methods are reusable. The correct answer is B. All methods are pre-written, saving the programmer work. All methods are not pre-written, so that is not an advantage to creating them. Making the main method easier to follow, making it easier to determine the overall intent of multiple code lines, and being able to reuse methods are all advantages to creating them. Question 2. In Java, methods must include all of the following except A. A call to another method, B. A declaration, C. Curly braces, D. A body. The correct answer is A. A call to another method. Java methods do not need to include calls to other methods. However, Java methods must have a declaration and must have curly braces that surround the method body, although the body can be empty. Question 3. All method declarations contain, is it A, arguments, B, one or more explicitly named access specifiers, C, parentheses, D, the keyword static? The correct answer is C, parentheses. All method declarations contain parentheses following the method name. Not all method declarations contain arguments, although some do. Not all methods contain explicitly named access specifiers, although some do. Not all method declarations contain the keyword static, although some do. We will jump into the next question right after this. Question 4. A public static method named ComputeSum is located in class A. To call the method from within class B, use the statement aclasser.computesum, B class B computesum, C computesum class A, D. You cannot call computesum from within class B. The correct answer is a classer.computesum. You use the name of the class that holds the method and the method name, classer.computesum. The other two statements will not compile. Question 5. Which of the following method declarations is correct for a static method named displayFacts if the method receives an int argument? A. Public static int displayFacts. B. Public void displayFacts int data. C. Public static void displayFacts int data. Or D. Public void displayFacts static int. The correct answer is C. Public static void displayFacts int data. The method is static and receives an int argument. The other answers are incorrect because one does not receive an int argument, one is not static, and an argument cannot be static, and it must have an identifier. Question 5. Which of the following method declarations is correct for a static method named displayFacts if the method receives an int argument? A. Public static int displayFacts. B. Public void displayFacts int data. C. Public static void displayFacts int data. D. Public void displayFacts static int. The correct answer is C. Public static void displayFacts int data. Question 6. Which of the following method declarations is correct for a static method named ComputeSum if the method receives two double arguments? A. Public static double ComputeSum. B. Public static void ComputeSum double A double B. C. Public int ComputeSum double A double B. D. Public static int ComputeSum double A B. The correct answer is B. B. Public static void ComputeSum double A double B. The static method ComputeSum receives two double arguments. The other answers are wrong because a method cannot have two return types. The method must use the keyword static, and a data type must be specified for each argument, even if each is the same data type. 1. The method with the declaration public static int method double D is a method type of AA static, B int, C double D. You cannot determine the method type. The correct answer is B int. The method's type is int. You can determine the method type, but static is not a type. The method's type is not double, but it does take a double argument. Question 8. Which of the following is a correct call to a method declared as public static void a method char code? A. Void a method. B. Void a method v. C. A method char m. D. A method q. We will dance into the next questions right after this short break. Question 9. A method is declared as public static void show results, double D int I. Which of the following is a correct method call? A. Show results, double D int I. B. Show results, 12.2, 67. C. Show results, 499.7. D. Two of these are correct. The correct answer is B. Show results, 12.2, 67. You can call the method using 12.2 and 67 as arguments. You do not use data types in a method call. The argument 4 can be passed to the double, but 99.7 cannot be passed to the int. Question 10. The method with the declaration public static char procedure, double D, has a method type of A. Public, B. Static, C. Char, D. Double. The correct answer is C. Char. The method's data type is char. A method's data type is the type of value it returns. Neither public nor static is a data type. The method's parameter type is double, but the method's type is not double. 1. The method public static boolean test value int response returns A. No value B, an int value C, a boolean value D. You cannot determine what is returned. The correct answer is C, a boolean value. The method returns a boolean value. The method takes an int argument, but it does not return an int. 1. Which of the following could be the last legally coded line of a method declared as public static int getVal double sum? A. Return, B. Return 77, C. Return 2.3, D. Any of these could be the last coded line of the method. The correct answer is B. Return 77. That's it for the first 12 questions. We grind into the next group right after this short break. Question 13. In the method header public static boolean, int age is an, A argument, B parameter, C return value, D final value. The correct answer is B parameter. The variable age is a parameter. An argument appears in a method call, not in a method header. The variable age is neither a return value nor a final value. Question 14. The code between a pair of curly braces in a method is AA function B, brick C block D sector. The correct answer is C block. A block exists between curly braces. A function is similar to a method in some programming languages. Neither brick nor sector is a term used in Java programming. 1. When a block exists within another block, the blocks are A. Structured B. Illegal C. Sheltered D. Nested. The correct answer is D. Nested. Blocks are nested when one exists inside the other. It is legal. Structured is a term that applies to programming logic. Sheltered is not a term used in Java programming. Question 16. The portion of a program within which you can reference a variable is the variables. A scope, B space, C domain, D range. A variable can be referenced within its scope. Although domain, range, and space all have approximately the same meaning in English, they are not the words programmers use to describe the portion of a program in which you can refer to a variable. We will burn into the next group right after this. 1. You can declare variables with the same name multiple times. A. Within a statement, B. Within a block, C. Within a method, D. You never can declare multiple variables with the same name. The correct answer is C. Within a method. Question 18. Non-ambiguous overloaded methods must have the same A. Types of parameters, B. Number of parameters, C. Parameter names, D. Name. The correct answer is D. Name. 1. If a method is written to receive a double parameter and you pass an int to the method, then the method will A. Work correctly. The int will be promoted to a double B. Work correctly. The parameter type will automatically become an int C. Execute but issue a warning D. Not work. An error message will be issued. The correct answer is A. Work correctly. The int will be promoted to a double. 1. If a method is written to receive an int parameter and you pass a double to the method, then the method will A. Work correctly. The double will be promoted to an int B. Work correctly, but the double might lose some data C. Execute but issue a warning D. Not work. An error message will be issued. The correct answer is D. Not work. An error message will be issued. If you find this video useful, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. To see more videos like this, please click in the rectangle in the middle of your screen. To see other videos from this channel, please click the circle on the bottom right. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day. See you on the next one.